Maharaj is not going to be tolerated. He has put out a post on social media platform X wherein he says any disrespect towards Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj will not be tolerated. Question to the opposition, will you condemn what is written about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj? So this is the post, in fact, that I'm talking about, that has been put out by Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, viewers, and there he's saying any disrespect towards Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj will not be tolerated. He's also put out a question for the opposition. Will you condemn what is written about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's book, The Discovery of India? Now, that's the question Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has asked, because, you know, the kind of reactions we got from Akhilesh Yadav as well, they seem to, in a way, endorse what people like Abu Azmi have said. They haven't really condemned the statements that were made by Abu Azmi. So this is the big reaction we have from Maharashtra's Chief Minister. Now we have a reaction from Maharashtra's Minister Uday Samant as well, who says Abu Azmi should be charged with the Anti-National Act. And similar sentiments, in fact, were echoed yesterday by Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister as well. Listen into these reactions.
मैंने कई बार बोला है कि अखिलेश जी ने अगर औरंगजेब अच्छा प्रशासक है इस वर्डिंग का समर्थन किया है तो उनका भी हम निषेध करते हैं, और उनके ऊपर भी छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का और छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज का अपमान किया है ऐसा कह के उनके ऊपर भी देशद्रोह का गुना दाखिल करना चाहिए, मांग करते हैं।
And we have a reaction coming in from NCP, the Sharad Pawar faction as well. And this one has come from Rohit Pawar, who said that he will ask the top leadership of the party to talk to Akhilesh Yadav so that Abu Azmi is removed as state president of Samajwadi Party in Maharashtra.
We feel there is some dynamics. I don't know what happened. Someone must have told. He came out. No one asked, and he said, what's his name? Aurangzeb is a good guy. In Maharashtra, in India, you can't say such things, and there's no logic to it. जो व्यक्ति खुद के बाप का नहीं हो पाया और उसके भाई का हो नहीं पाया, वो लोगों का कैसे होगा? तो to some extent there's a strategy, there's a policy. That is what I feel. SP is a good party, but ये अध्यक्ष जो है अबू आजमी जी, we feel he's a B team of BJP.
You think that he should be sacked from the position of Maharashtra?
What I would request our leadership is to talk to Akhilesh Yadav ji, who is fighting for a secular cause, to sack this Adhyaksha, Mr. Abu Azmi.
And we have a reaction coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party as well. Here's what Ram Kadam of the BJP had to say.
Kind of statement he has given, that was not only derogatory, but it hurts each and everyone's sentiments. So no one has a right to hurt anyone's sentiment. That's the first point. And intentionally he did that. He is a continuous offender. If you go back to the history and if you check, so he's been indulging in such kind of offenses quite often. So today Maharashtra Assembly suspended him for this one session. Whatever punishment Assembly, today's Speaker has announced, that is not enough. The committee, the concerned committee which is appointed today, and that committee will decide further course of action.
Let's now move on and